Alright, let's walk through how to create a bill of materials, or BOM, which is brain of manufacturing process. For this demonstration, we are using bicycle example, which has multi-level BOM. We'll start with the top-down method, which is often a great way to structure your product breakdown. Keep in mind that you can always adapt your approach as needed, whether that's bottom-up or another method that suits your workflow. Now let's begin. Click the Add button to start creating a new BOM. If you're working with a multi-level BOM, use BOM tree, select part in search text box. It can help you quickly locate and select existing parts. Or you can directly select part information. Next, select the node or the main assembly for which you are creating this BOM. Now, click the Add New Line button to start adding the individual components. Enter or select the part information as required part. The system should automatically populate the unit of measure for that part. If any of the components are byproducts or scrap, be sure to select the scrap checkbox. Specify the quantity needed to produce a single unit of the parent part. Or, if it's byproduct, enter how much it will be produced. If you've identified a byproduct, enter its percentage in the designated field. This percentage will be used to calculate its inventory rate. Repeat to add all the necessary parts to this BOM. Once you've entered all the components, please click the Save button. If all the information you've provided is valid, the system will successfully save the part BOM. After you close the report, the tree structure will automatically refresh. You'll then see all the parts you've added listed as children under the main assembly. To add the BOM for the next part, simply follow the instructions. For some reason, if you haven't finished adding all the BOMs at the same time, no worries at all. You don't need to remember which part BOMs still need to be added. Just select the main part in the search text box, and the system will load all the available BOM information for you. If you find a node text displayed in gray, that indicates a missing BOM that needs to be updated. Please update those entries accordingly. Our bill of materials system offers a straightforward way to verify your assembly and sub-assembly structures. You have two convenient options. First, you can simply search for a specific main part or subpart. Once selected, the system displays a clear, tree-structured bill of materials for that item. To make things even easier, the nodes in this tree are color-coded, allowing for quick visual identification of part categories or any missing components. Second, for a hard copy, just click on Parent Node, or search for the desired part. Click the Print Toolbar button. This will generate a complete bill of materials report, ready for your use. We've designed this system to be intuitive, ensuring that even individuals without a strong engineering background can easily navigate and utilize its capabilities. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.